Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. For the new subscribers, welcome. Today I will be making these delicious, mouth-watering turkey and cheese quesadillas. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. I have some shredded mozzarella cheese. I also have some nacho and taco blend shredded cheese, as well as some Oscar Mayer oven roasted turkey breast. For my next ingredient, I have some small flour tortillas. And lastly, some blue bonnet butter. Preheat a 1/4 teaspoon of butter and use the right tool to smear the butter like you're making pancakes. Allow the butter to melt on medium heat. Use a flat spatula to evenly spread the melted butter, then add 2 tortillas to the pan. Cook on low heat until they are brown. Use your flat spatula to flip both tortillas. Make sure to move the tortillas around occasionally. Now it all depends how crispy you want your quesadillas. At this point, you should notice a slight rise in your tortillas. Now I'm lightly buttering the top of my tortillas to prevent them from being dry. Next, I'm going to fold over my tortilla and use my spatula to apply pressure to my quesadilla. I'm applying pressure until it can stay folded on its own. I'm cooking my tortilla until the cheese has melted. Moving on to the second tortilla, look at that beautiful golden color. So for this one, I'm only going to add half a slice of the Oscar Mayer turkey. Next, I'm going to fold over my tortilla and also apply pressure with my flat spatula. My quesadillas are finally golden brown. I'm going to lightly brush a little bit of butter on the top. Then I'm going to flip them over just to melt the butter, then remove them from the heat. As you can tell, this is a very simple recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.